I picked this up for $2 from Kaufland. You can see the logo here. And yeah, I think this is a complex product for just $2, and I want to see what's inside. I haven't opened the package yet. As you can see, here's the sticker and the other sticker that is not cut yet. So let's see. Allegedly, it has an 80 milliamp hour battery and an LED. And the solar panel, yeah, that's top secret. They won't tell you how much that is. In Romanian, yeah, it will light up for 6 to 8 hours. And yeah, kids under 14 are not allowed to use this because they might swallow it. Okay. So, let's see. Ooh. Yeah. This is kind of strange. It's not plastic. It's ceramic. What? I think that sound is... yeah, we'll see. It's plastic or ceramic. I don't know. Is there anything else in the box? Just the manuals and how not to swallow it. Okay. Oh, maybe it's not for kids because you can break a skull with this. That could be one theory. Here's the model number. Yeah. The light is 00045 watts. Okay. But it doesn't say what material this is. I can't tell. This could be plastic or ceramic. It's kind of lighter than the ceramic I'm used to. But yeah. So, here's the solar panel. You take this off the solar panel. Like this. And you turn it on by pressing or... oh, that's interesting. Now it's on. And if we cover the... it lights up. Oh boy. This actually works. Haha. Okay. Now let's see if we can take it apart. Well, this is sealed. It's weatherproofed, so I don't know. Should we break it? Yeah, we might as well. I have some more glue. I can put it back together. Let's just not break the solar panel. Yeah. It's coming. I think it's just hot glue. So that you just need to separate it and it doesn't hold on too much. Look. Here. It's not holding on anymore. Okay. So turn it off and let's see. Hopefully the wires are long enough from the light so they don't break off, but yeah, that can be fixed. Come on. They are not long enough. Come on out. Okay. What the hell? So this is ceramic, but hollow. Really, really hollow. Here's the part that broke off. Is that from the opening? Yeah. This was probably in the opening here. And it was designed to break off. And they broke it, but it fell inside. That's interesting. So yeah, there's nothing really interesting here. Maybe we can open up this little black box where should be some electronics and the battery. I'm kind of curious what kind of battery they put in there. I'm not interested in cutting myself, so I'm using just a screwdriver. Let's see. Oop. Am I doing this right? Oh, it's glued. I'm doing it right, but the hot glue is here. Okay. So, come on. Yeah. Yep. This is really nice. It's a bigger battery cell than I'm used to. I took apart a solar light like a year ago, and it had two times flatter battery cell, like 40 milliamp hours or something. Hey! Gravity, come on. It's spinning the camera. Ants are all over my desk. Okay. Yeah, this is sabotage. So yeah, this is a simple switch that is covered by this piece of rubber, so water doesn't get in, allegedly. And it switches between this small little controller or whatever it is. Here's a four-legged little controller, a chip or whatever, a resistor, and that's it. Nothing on the back, just the wires, and it works. If you turn it on, this is interesting. So yeah, I never seen ceramic. Oh boy, it's really brittle. What is this? No, it's not. Okay. It was just very thin there. It's some sort of ceramic, but kind of weak. That's kind of interesting. I'll have to do some tests on it. Interesting material. So yeah, here is the tiny little for $2. Yeah, this reflector is worth $2 in my opinion. If you put a strong enough LED inside, this could make a nice little flashlight. But yeah, it will probably remain in this form, and put it... Oh! The other thing cool you can do with this. You can put a camera inside. Like a small little camera like this. So you just put it out on in the window, like this. And it's looking at you. I mean, looking at the neighbors who came into your yard. And they'll never know. It's just a camera watching them. Ha ha. So yeah, I will definitely not do that. Okay? No. And you shouldn't do that either.